Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. PyTorch Lightning is a lightweight PyTorch wrapper that simplifies the training process of deep learning models. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing PyTorch Lightning using Conda, a popular package manager for Python. If you haven't installed Conda yet, you can download and install mini Conda or Anaconda from the official website, https://docs.conda.io/projects/conda/n/latest/user-guide/install/index.html. Once Conda is installed, you can create a new environment for your PyTorch Lightning project. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Replace myenv with your preferred environment name, and specify the desired Python version. Here, we use Python 3.8. Activate the environment. Before installing PyTorch Lightning, you need to install PyTorch. You can do this by running the following command. This command installs PyTorch, torchvision, for computer vision tasks, and torchaudio, for audio tasks. Now that PyTorch is installed, you can install PyTorch Lightning using the following command. This command installs PyTorch Lightning from the Conda Forge channel. To ensure that PyTorch Lightning is installed correctly, you can create a simple Python script and run it. Open your favorite text editor and create a file named verify_installation.py. Add the following code. Save the file and run it. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the PyTorch Lightning version and a confirmation message. Congratulations! You have successfully installed PyTorch Lightning using Conda. You can now start building and training your deep learning models with the enhanced functionality and simplicity provided by PyTorch Lightning. ChatGPT.